Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Britt. For those of you that are new here, welcome to my channel. Britt Brings It Home. I do videos to help you create a healthy and organized home. And today I am filming my nighttime skincare routine. So I switched to using clean, safe, non-toxic beauty products a few years ago. You can watch my video, which I will link here, on why I switched to clean beauty, but I've dealt with some hormonal imbalance and eczema, and so it is very important to me that what I'm putting on my body and what I'm using in my home is clean and non-toxic and won't cause me more health problems and will help me to stay as healthy as I can be. So it's nighttime. I am washing my face, washing all that makeup off my face. It's so important to wash your face before you go to bed, because when you don't, that makeup and dirt and dust and things from the day stay on your face and your face is not able to breathe, and that leads to like clogged pores and blackheads and whiteheads and acne. So make sure you get all that makeup and all that dirt off your face, allow it to breathe, and moisturize it so it can stay young looking and it can do all that work while you are sleeping. So to cleanse my face tonight, I am using one of my favorite clean, non-toxic beauty products, and that is the Beauty Counter Plus Lotus Glow Cleansing Balm. I absolutely love this stuff. I love the way it makes my skin feel, and it is a balm, so it's thick and kind of more the consistency of like lip balm, but a little softer than that. But you just put like a dime size amount in your hands and rub it around on your dry face, massage it all around on your face, and I use it on my eyes, and it works really well with removing my eye makeup, and it's not irritating at all to my eyes. So I just rub it around until I can see that it's getting all the makeup off, and then I remove it with warm water, and sometimes I use my microfiber cloth here to help remove my eye makeup, and I just put a little bit of water on that and then just rub the makeup off my eyes, and then when I'm done I just pat it dry with a towel. So this cleansing balm is made with really nourishing, moisturizing oils like shea butter, avocado oil, jojoba oil, mango butter, sunflower oil. And so it's an oil-based cleanser, and so it works really well with removing excess oil from your skin and removing that makeup from your skin. And it does not leave your face feeling greasy, and it actually kind of doubles as a moisturizer. So it cleanses and removes those impurities for your skin, but also leaves your skin feeling really nourished and hydrated. And then I noticed that my skin not only feels better, softer, and more hydrated, but it also looks brighter when I use this. So I love using the cleansing balm. And then after I cleanse my face, sometimes at night I use a mask. Not every night, but a few nights a week I will do a mask. And so tonight I am using the Beauty Counter Plus Charcoal Facial Mask. And this mask is made from kaolin clay and activated charcoal, which are both really great for purifying the skin and removing those impurities. So they help to draw out those impurities, and they help to minimize the appearance of pores, and it's like a detox for your skin. So I like to do this at least once a week or a few times a week, or just whenever my skin looks like it needs a detox. If I have, an acne outbreak, or sometimes if I just have, one pimple, I'll do just a spot treatment and just put the charcoal mask on that one spot. But tonight I am doing it on my whole face. So I use this little tool here to help spread the mask all over my face. And I do go down a little bit on my neck because I do currently have a little acne outbreak there under my jawline. So I'm putting some of the charcoal mask there. And I'm gonna let it stay on my face for about 10 minutes. And then I'll come back and rinse it off. Okay, so it has been 10 minutes, so it is time to wash the mask off. So again, I use warm water and I kind of massage the warm water onto my face. And then I also use my microfiber cloth again to help the mask come off more easily. And once I have all of the mask off, then I just pat my face dry again with a towel. And then the next step in my nighttime skincare routine is to tone my skin. And to do that, I am using the Beautycounter Countertime Mineral Boost Hydrating Essence. I love this toner because it is not super harsh on the skin like a lot of alcohol-based toners are. This one is like a milky consistency and it is full of great nutrients for the skin. It does help to hydrate the skin, and it's great to put it on before you use a serum or a moisturizer because it helps those things be able to absorb into the skin more easily. So this hydrating essence is made with Beautycounter's Retin Natural Complex, which helps to reduce fine lines and wrinkles without retinol, which a lot of anti-aging skincare has in it, and it can cause a lot of harm, especially when you go out in the sun after applying retinol. It can cause a lot of irritation. And this has mineral-rich seawater in it to help boost the nutrients in your skin, and it helps to reduce lines and wrinkles and the appearance of pores, and just to help your skin look more radiant and youthful. So I just shake out like a dime size amount into my hands and just press it all over onto my face. And I use this one in the morning and at night. And I'm getting ahead of myself here, but the next step in my skincare routine after I cleanse and do my mask, if I'm gonna do one, and tone my face, is to treat. And so that's where I use a serum. And so tonight I am using the Countertime Tripeptide Radiance Serum. And so this is in the Countertime collection in Beautycounter, just like the mineral essence was, and that is like the anti-aging line in Beautycounter. So again, this helps with reducing the appearance of lines and wrinkles, and a serum is like a much more concentrated form of a beauty product, more so than a cleanser or a toner or a moisturizer. So this has that Retin Natural Complex again, and it has a blend of peptides and amino acids, so it really helps with keeping my skin looking young and radiant and firm. And then in the treat step of my skincare routine, I'm also using the Counter Control SOS Acne Spot Treatment, which is also from Beautycounter. It's in the Counter Control line from Beautycounter. And those are the products that are best for oily or blemish prone skin. And my skin is more blemish prone, but I love using the Countertime just because it keeps my skin looking young and bright. But I do supplement with the Counter Control products when I need them. When I have an outbreak of acne or I have some pimples here and there, I will use some of the Counter Control products. And so tonight I'm using this Counter Control SOS spot treatment on my acne. Like I said, I had some pimples under my jawline, so I'm putting some of that spot treatment there, and I will let it do its thing and work overnight, and it really does help to reduce the blemishes. And again, it's not harsh on the skin like a lot of other acne treatments are. And then the next step in my skincare routine is to moisturize. It is so important to moisturize your skin. Your skin needs moisture to keep it looking young and youthful and to keep it firm, and also to help prevent acne, because Sometimes acne is a result of not enough moisture. Your skin is dry and therefore it needs to produce more oil, and sometimes it produces too much oil and creates acne. So you got to keep it moisturized. So at night I use the Countertime Trepidate Supreme Cream, and I love this moisturizer. It is really thick, and so it's great to use at night. It's probably too thick to use during the daytime, but I love using it at night so it can really do its work and hydrate my skin while I'm sleeping. And again, this also helps with reducing lines and wrinkles. And in my palm, I mix about a dime size amount of that again with the Counter Plus No. 3 Balancing Facial Oil. So this oil helps to balance your skin and even out your skin tone. And it's a blend of lots of different beneficial oils like grapeseed oil and orange peel oil, grapefruit oil, meadow foam seed oil, all kinds of oils. And you don't need a lot. Like I said, I just use a few drops, just mixed in with my moisturizer to just bump up the hydration and really keep it nourished and have an even skin tone, reduce any redness I have, and just keep it looking young. One more step, the very last step in my skincare routine, is to use an eye treatment. So I use the Countertime Ultra Renewal Eye Cream, and I just put my fingertip into the cream and just press it under my eyes and in the corners of my eyes where those crow's feet are starting to form, and that really helps with reducing the wrinkles and the dark circles that I get under my eyes. Okay, so that is it for my nighttime skincare routine. It does not always look exactly like this. I don't always use a mask, and sometimes instead of using a serum, I will use the Beauty Counter Overnight Resurfacing Peel. That's another great one I love using a few times a week at night. But I hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any questions about any of these products, just a disclaimer, I am a Beauty Counter consultant, so I can help you with any questions you have or to help you find the products that would be best for your skin. Leave a comment below with any questions you have or with what your favorite products are to use at nighttime. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe to my channel so you can be notified when I come out with the next video. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Someday